All right, good morning, geometry guys. We're in day one of our review on volume and surface area. Don't get hit like a scrap of the bell. Okay, so as of right now, this is kind of what I'm looking at for y'all. Okay, if this doesn't change between now and tomorrow, your test is going to be 70 possible points. Okay. Each blank is worth 2 points. Okay? So, now, here's what's bad. I keep telling y'all this every time. Try to put something in there, or I tell you how to set it up. You get an orange sheet. People are still, watching videos, not doing whatever. Because I'm pretty sure the people, I'm going to watch videos later. Yeah, you don't. So, you need to be able to have your stuff ready. As of now, there could be as many as 6 different versions of the test. Okay? All right. So, you'll see these little orange boxes right here. This is what I would put on, my orange sheet. If you still hadn't figured it out, I would put on my orange sheet how to do the problems, not just the answers from the practice test. Okay? So the front is right here, so this would be 2 times 7 times 3, okay? So this would be 42 millimeters squared, okay? If you don't put the units to measure, it's wrong. If you don't put the right power to it, it's wrong. Okay? See left and right, so that's 2 times 4 times 3 squared. Notice I'm only putting the answer in the box, not what I'm multiplying. Okay? This is the answer box, not show all your work box. Because the way that some of y'all write, it's very difficult to try to decipher. All right, so this is 28 times 2, so this is 56. Oops. All right, so 42. Why are we worried about who's driving where and what right now? Because right now the only thing y'all are driving is me crazy. And unfortunately, that's a very short trip. Now, and my favorite question from earlier today, how did you get the volume of this? Well, I said, did you see the numbers? Yeah, it's length times width times height. It's literally these 3 numbers. Didn't know somebody really enjoyed math that much. Now some of y'all are calling your girlfriends. All right. So 84 millimeters. Nope, not to the stop power. Third. Okay. So, if you put that on wrong, again. So, stepped out. This is, I would, I'm not saying to try to draw a 3D object. You can, do whatever, but you can actually just have length, width, and height, just those 3 numbers. All right. Number 1 and number 2 are right now are worth 10 possible points, okay? So that means this one row is worth 20 possible points. There's 5 questions, 2 points each. All right, so number 2, see front So this would be 2 times 3. Please quit trying to poke him with your pencil. It's still part of the pencil. So this would be 54. Now, if you just write 54, is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay, if you write 54CM, is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong, because it's got to have the squared, okay? Again, here's my little note down here. All area squared, okay? All volume to the third. All right, left and right, so this is 2 times 9. So this would be 36 centimeters squared. Top and bottom. Okay, 2 times 3. 12 centimeters squared. 4 plus 36 plus 12. All right, so 102 centimeters. Squared. Three times 2 times 9. 3 times 2 is 6 times 9 is 54 centimeters cubed. Okay? Please, little songbirds, please stop. Okay, well, I just asked people to quit making noise, and then more people made noise. Why? I know. I have some good writing assignments, too. Some of them are like small research papers. All right. So, this is probably going to be the setup for the test. I like this format because, you know, we get to see 2 of these, get to see 2. Now, if we were to have 2 of the triangular prisms that's on the bottom, it would go over one sheet of paper, and I'm not being picky or anything, I just don't want to be flipping and flopping the paper personally. Okay? Bless you. All right. 3 and 4, both of these are worth 8 points each. Here's the SA. SA in this case that we're talking about today in math is talking about surface area. Okay? So make sure that the surface area and the volume have pi in the answer. All right? So this would be 4 inches. Yes, you do have to put the units of measure. So 2 times 4 times 9 pi plus 2 times 4 squared times pi. So 2 pi. 16. So 105 pi inches squared. All right, now, I don't know why that popped up. All right, so volume, this would be 4 squared times 9 times pi, so 16 times 9. You could actually just type that in. So 144 inches. Oh, forgot something. Yep. Now, I know we didn't do a whole lot of Pi Day stuff last week. That's okay. It didn't really matter. The way that they actually started doing that is they started, somebody started noticing the different, you know, circumference stuff, and it's actually a ratio. They didn't have internet and stuff, so they had to, you know, people actually had a thought process. All right. All right, so number 4. All right, my radius is 14, correct?
No. Seven. Hey, where's my orange at?
Hey, what, guys? Well, again, why? Y'all could be quieter or not talk. Hey, what's the deal? They stole your orange sheet.
I wrote it. How do you let this happen? I blinked.
I don't know. Y'all all like to, apparently from the notes I was getting from the subs, everybody likes to take everybody else's stuff. Like we're, in, 3rd grade or something. I know some of y'all are in 3rd grade. That's about your mentality. That's, yeah, I hope you just realize that you just insulted yourself.
How? Okay. There's a change in power.
So plus 8 pi. 126. Oops, I keep doing it. Pi meters squared. Okay. What's funny is that this right here, well, that's close. So, no, for this one it's actually the same thing because the height, 7 squared times 2, so 98 pi meters cubed. All right. So 3 and 4 are worth 8 possible points. Okay, please make sure that you're looking at the figures correctly. Yeah, right pass. All right. Now, this was the stuff that was covered yesterday. Okay, so whether you were out yesterday, you were here yesterday, all the stuff is online. You're responsible for it. Now, this problem right here, 34 possible points. All right, now, it actually goes a lot easier than what you think. If you would have done it the first time, you would agree with me. Either one. All right, so centimeters, 15 centimeters, 7 centimeters. All right, remember, this line and this, they're all the same. So it would go like this. Centimeters, 15 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Okay, so that right there, those 6 blanks, that's 12 points right there. It goes pretty fast. So side 1, 8 centimeters. Side 2, 15 centimeters. Side 3 would be 17 centimeters. All right, so base times the height. Times 15. 7, 8, 15, 17. Now, again, why did I not put the units of measure in that line that's written in blue? You're close. because that's exactly how you're entering it in the calculator.